City is known as the city that never sleeps, and after many years of waiting, I finally got a chance to visit. We spent a whole week here in this iconic city, and I'm going to share with you my top 12 favorite things that we've done while we were there. Before we get started, please make sure you hit like and also hit subscribe as well to see more videos just like this. Starting the list at number 12 is the Rockefeller Center. Top of the Rock is one of the many lookout towers in New York, and it has one of the best unobstructed views of the skyline. It also is the closest view you're going to get of Central Park. Next on the list is Washington Square Park. It is in the heart of New York City and it is bustling with activity. It is a prime spot for people watching and is a good way to get out of the hustle and bustle for a short while. Next up is one that is not on that many people's itinerary, but I would highly recommend to do a day trip out to Coney Island. The subway goes right up to Coney Island station and it is a great way to spend some time at the seaside. It has an old style theme park and it's just such an incredible day out. At number 9 is one of the many icons of New York City, and that is the Empire State Building. Built all the way back in the 1930s, this building was once the top of the world. This building is chock full of history and it definitely should be on your itinerary. Of course, what is New York without number 8, the Statue of Liberty? There are so many boat cruises that go around. Not all of them get off on the island. I would highly recommend to get off on the island, go for a wander, and so you get up close and personal with Lady Liberty herself. Number 7 is Central Park. I easily could have spent the entire day in this park alone. It is absolutely massive with plenty to do. Again, another great location for people watching to just escape the city and relax for a little while. Coming in at number 6 is the polar opposite of calm and serene, and that is Times Square. It was noisy, it was busy, it was chaotic, and I absolutely loved it. Be sure to check it out both in the daytime and the nighttime as well. Number 5 is to head off to another New York icon, is the Brooklyn Bridge. But don't just stop there, keep going, go across to Brooklyn. Brooklyn is such a cool and trendy area to explore, so grab yourself a pizza, explore the parks near the harbour, and also check out Dumbo and Squid Bridge as well while you're there. Coming in at number 4 is a pretty solemn kind of place, and that is the 9/11 Museum. It is a must-do on your New York itinerary, and as sad and as somber as it is, it's done really well in respect to the people who lost their lives, and it's also a good way to keep the memory alive of the tragic events of 9/11. Coming in at number 3 is the highest building in the Western Hemisphere, that is the One World Trade Center Tower. It is a stunning view over the city. It's very well done. It tells the history of New York and how it's founded, how it's built, and it is absolutely a must-do. Coming in at number 2 is a relatively new installation to New York City, and that is the Edge. It is brilliant. I highly recommend doing it. Like all the towers, it's another incredible view of the city. It's great getting the perspective. The pictures and the scenery you get from it is stunning. Last but not least, at the number 1 spot, if you do not have this on your itinerary, you are missing out, and that is Summit One Vanderbilt. It is a must do. You have to do this. It is the most incredible experience I've ever had in New York City. The views are stunning, especially of the Chrysler and Empire State Building. But don't just go and have a look. Stay for as long as you can. Catch the sunset. Experience it at nighttime. It is a whole different experience at nighttime. There's an incredible rooftop bar at the top, and you have to put it on your list. It is amazing. But of course, New York has so much more to see and do. Those are just my top 12 must-dos in New York City. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you let me know by leaving a like or a comment down below. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see more videos just like this. I'm also on social media as well. You can find me on X, I think it's called now, and Instagram as well. All the links are down below in the description. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.